like to take this opportunity to welcome all you 9 folks out here on our river cruise boat. We'll have a 3-mile round trip on the Wakulla River. We'll see a lot of wildlife, all within this natural habitat. A lot of birds, turtles, and alligators. You see some Florida manatees.
Yeah.
Oh, good. You'll see some of them. You'll definitely see some manatees. Right there in the grass, one of them Florida gators lying around there. There's a couple of them over there. A little small bird over there, it's a little green color. Yeah, there's a couple of gators laying out there in that grass. We're going to see plenty more of these alligators on that river right here.
There's another alligator.
White bird right here on the right is the white ibis on the edge of the bushes right there. White ibis. I ain't see a lot of fish in the water right here. That's those mullet. And you got another gator out in the grass on the left right there. On top of the grass on the left.
It's trying to.
Big white bird over there is a great egret. Great egret over out there. Great egret.
Man, that water is clear.
There's a manatee in the middle right here on the left. Water back in the boat, right there. Right there.
Yeah, I can't see him because of the
Yeah, the glare on the
reflection.
water. There's one right here.
Oh, wow.
There's one right here in the front, y'all.
Amazing.
There's one up here in the front.
Yeah, there's one in the front there. Want somebody to pet him.
All right. There's your manatee.
You might run over it.
Look at him. Look at him.
No, they kind of used to their boats around here. We found, yeah, but they eat grass. There's one in front of over there too. Yeah, that's right. There's one in front too.
He's going under the boat.
He's under the boat.
After all this time, right?
Oh my gosh.
Uh-huh.
They're noted for getting cut by rotor blades.
I know.
But he's coming out there, I think.
Okay. Yeah, here he is.
Yeah, there
Okay.
Come up. Come up. Yeah, he likes the boat.
Yeah. Oh, there's his nose out.
Oh, look. Oh, my gosh. He really is.
Yeah, I got him. Just stuck his nose up.
Oh, I didn't see. Did you see him? Yeah, he's got his snout.
So he's a mammal, I guess, right? He's probably breathing, right?
Yeah, he's got to breathe.
Yeah, he's got to breathe.
He's got to breathe.
Hey, watch out, buddy. We're going to move.
All right, hope y'all got a good view up there.
Yeah.
That's
Those were those manatees. We'll be finding y'all plenty more when we get y'all back, folks.
yeah, I got some good.
Those birds that have long and they go in the water catch these fish. Doing that process, they went into the water, all that drop, for able to fly again. That's why you see them out here in the wing spread position. They be drying their wings so they can fly. There's the anhinga called the water cricket, also called the snake bird, anhinga.
Oh, did you see that?
Yes. Yeah.
I wish I'd have got. Oh, you got it again. It keeps jumping out.
A little mullet jumping in the water. A mullet jumping up there.
They're mullet.
I got it.
Oh yes, sir. They got some try, Anyway.
I've never seen a jumping mullet before.
I've seen Billy Ray Cyrus. I can't. I can't look up or down. I missed one or the other.
White ibis, the white bird over there on the bank. It's the ibis, white ibis. All the trees on the river out here are the balls cypress trees. All the little roundabout stuff around these trees are cypress trees. They are the bare cypress trees on the river here. Trolls out there on the river, they call wakulla, also called the striping neck trolls.
They're like me. That's
It's just Damon. Oh, there's fish. I think I got it. There's like fish right up below you.
Yeah, I know. It's so crazy that you can see them enough to take a picture of them.
God, so many fish. I can't.
Oh, I'm so amazed at how you can like see all the way down
Everything.
the water.
Yeah, you can see
There's that
everything.
dingo right here on the rim, called a snake bird, also called a water turkey. And dingo.
Oh, right here.
Ah,
Drying along. Pretty. That is pretty good.
I heard he's posing for us. Hulking out.
Things swallow.
It's like, oh, I need to go to the vet. These pythons are sick.
And dingo again right here on the left, called a snake bird, also called a water turkey. And dingo.
Want to move and catch the bird.
Got a big head.
Oh, he raised his head up.
See those turtles.
It's like the turtle centipede instead of the human
Turtle
centipede.
feed.
It's a bad joke.
Huh? Yeah, he's asleep.
I got a really good picture of his nose though, right up from the camera.
Big old tail. Pretty. Yeah. There's another one. Man, it is big.
Get ready to go.
Distance.
Yeah, you need to net that.
Alligators.
You ever had alligator tail?
Really love marshmallows. Oh, that's cool. Where you getting that?
Yeah, I got it. I'm gonna get it again too. Oh, he went underwater.
Dang, he's under there. Where'd he go?
He better come back up.
Drowned himself.
Well, that's
That
interesting.
bird straight up disappeared under the water.
I guess it's scared him that bad. Maybe that's him. I don't know.
You better get out of here.
Dude, he's swimming down. Dude, he's still swimming. He's still swimming.
I gotta go between the other.
Are you seeing this?
Gotta go here.
Here he comes. That's crazy. I got
Manatee out there for y'all. They were right in front of them.
Oh, he's coming.
Dig here.
He's got a thing on his tail. Like a,
He's been tagged.
yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.